America, just listen to the rumble and the roar. That Trump train is coming, rolling like never before. Liberals are getting nervous for that November day, when all their dreams are shattered and their hopes will fade away. I listen to my president, I listen to his words, how America's great again and it was against all odds. Tried the best to bring him down and stop that freedom sound, but liberty and freedom in our nation still abound. Now I'm a Trump supporter, backing him all the way. I'll stand for a national anthem until my dying day. Shout it from the housetop that in God we trust. So just get aboard that Trump train, make a victory lap with us. Make a victory lap with us.